Hi everyone, programming in C++, July 6, 2020. Our today's topic is comments and arithmetic operators. Comments. While we write C++ programs, we can add comments also. So comments are, you know, readable annotation for the user or for the programmer himself to explain about the program, about some specific part of the program. So comments are used for this purpose. So in a simple words, this is the explanation from the programmer. Okay, and compiler and translator will not translate this because it is in English. That's why we call it comments. So mean something which is not part of the C program, that is comments. Okay, so it will be there, but compiler C translator will not translate it. So comments is the annotation, okay, written by programmer about a program or some instruction. That is comments. So comments will be started with this /2 time. We will finish control /2 time, and then here you can write anything here. For example, today we will write a program to find addition of two numbers. So this we will write in comments. That will be part of the C program, but C translator, C compiler will not read this. To find addition of two numbers. Okay, so these are the comments. So in program we will apply it. Now the second topic is arithmetic operators. Mathematically, operators are used to perform some manipulation on data, or the operators which helps to manipulate data, operators which helps to do arithmetic like plus, minus, multiplication. These are known as arithmetic operators. Okay, so arithmetic operators, the operators which help to manipulate data like addition, subtraction, and division. Okay, there are some others also. So addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, all these are arithmetic operators. So in symbols, number one is plus sign for addition, minus sign for subtraction, this asterisk for multiplication, okay, this forward slash for division. When you divide like this, division sign in math, so that one for division. Okay, addition, subtraction, this multiplication, division. For example, 5 divided by 2, so we will use this symbol 5/2, result will come 2.5. okay, and then next is percent symbol. It is also like a division, but it gives the specific result. You know, when we divide a number, there are two results. One is quotient and one is remainder. Okay, when you want to get the complete quotient, for example 5 divided by 2, okay, so it will give 2.5. So we are dividing the number. And when you will get, when you want the remainder, for example when you write like this, 5% 2, 2 twos are 4, 1 remainder, it will give 1, because 5 divided by 2, remainder is 1. Percent also we will read it divided, 5 divided by 2, and here for example 5 divided by 2, this is complete division, and it will give 2.5. So complete quotient it will give, not the remainder. It divides until the quotient is less than divisor or 0, and this it will stop until the till the remainder is less than divisor. So remainder, it will give the remainder. Okay, so now we will write a program. This is a multiplication. So two topics, arithmetic comments and arithmetic operators. So let's open a C Pro. Okay, so we will write a new program. So as I told you in the beginning, include first, write first 3 include files. Always include, less, no need of space, less than std io.h hash sign include, and here also spelling mistake, less than sign iostream dot h hash sign include conio.h, then int main braces start bracket close, no semicolon, then braces, these are braces start. Now take some numbers. A is equal to 5 4, B is equal to 6, and C is equal to 10. We have taken 3 numbers, and for that we have used 3 variables, A, B, C, 3 variables we are using. Now in the previous lesson I explained to you, C will not accept A, B, C. So we have to explain here, declare here what are these A, B, C. So as you know, they are holding whole numbers 4, 6, 10. So in C we call it integer, int, integer, A, B, C, semicolon. So we are using 3 integers in A, B, and C. Okay, now one variable, just take add. You can write addition, add, total, whatever you want you can write, okay, but it should be a composition of letters. Take few letters, not full word, not big 10 letters, 15 letters variable, short. Add equal to, add mean addition. So what we want to add, for example A plus B plus C semicolon. So now system will add these three values. A will get the value of, 4 will come here, 6 will come here, and 10 will come here. It will add up and will store in add. Add is a variable which will hold the sum of this. Okay, please remember it, add. And now sub, take any two variable. Okay, for example, c minus a semicolon, just we are subtracting two variables. Then mul for multiplication equals a asterisk b asterisk c. We are multiplying three digits together. Okay, so please, some students, they do mistake. They are using like this. They are taking the value of ABC, 4 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 10. This compiler will not give error because we are multiplying numbers, but it will give the same result when you will run this program. Okay, you can't use the value of ABC. So if you change the value of ABC here it will not change because here values are fixed. Okay, so instead of this we will use variables. A multiplied by B multiplied by C semicolon. Okay, we have taken three values and now separate three variables, add, sub. So we have constructed a statement. This is known as expression. We have built up a mathematical expression. How we add numbers? Just a math statement. Only semicolon we will put. Add equal to A plus B plus C. And sub, subtract any two or three together, C minus A semicolon. For MUL, you can write multiplication also, but we write short so that no spelling mistake. Mul equal A multiplied by B multiplied by C. Okay. Now as you know, A, B, C are integers. When you are adding and putting the result in add, so what will be the type of this add? When you are subtracting the number and going in sub, what will be the type of this sub? When you are multiplying the same numbers, mean integer, and storing in mul, what will be the type of this mul? So we have to declare these variable also. Add, sub and mul. Here you can declare here if type is same, otherwise we can declare here also, but these we will declare separate. It's better int add, int sub, int mul semicolon. That addition, subtraction and multiplication variable, these we are using here, they also hold integer value because product of integer is integer, addition of integer is integer, multiplication of integer is integer. Clear? So enter. Now we have mathematical expression defined. Now we will print this. As you know, for print cout. Cout, what we will print? Add. And use here also endl, so that it will go to the next line. Cursor go to next line to print next result. Again cout less than sign, sub, then less than endl. Now third, after printing sub, it will go to the third line. Now we are third line we are printing mul. So here no need of handle because results are already printed on first line, second line. From second it will come on, go to third line. Now no need to send to the fourth line because no fourth result is there. Okay, so semicolon here. Then this is our program to find addition, multiplication and production. Now okay, we'll complete the program first. Now it is complete. Last, to finish the program, two statements I told you. Get ch, bracket start close semicolon, and return 0 semicolon and close the brackets. Okay, this is arithmetic operators. But second topic, first topic I told you comments. So see, comments you can, for example, we will write here one statement. Multiplication equal sign A star B star C star A, like this. For example, you are multiplying A, B, C and again A. But you thought, no, I don't want this statement. If we don't want, we will erase. So instead of erasing, keep the statement there, come here in the beginning and use this one, 2 time forward slash. This is used for comments in C++. Comments mean ignore this statement. I don't want to use this statement in the C program. Okay. First purpose is this. If you want to for example, you want to use 2 digits only, third you don't want, okay, this one, and semicolon is also there. So see, it is dimmed, so it means now it is ignored. And we don't want the result also. For example, mul, we don't want this also, and we don't want to print the mul result also. See, so instead of 3 digits, we ignored the third one. Okay, we are just interested in finding addition and subtraction of two numbers, addition of 3 numbers and subtraction of 2 numbers only, and print the results only. We don't want multiplication. So instead of deleting the statements or instructions, erasing the instructions, we have put them in comments. So compiler will not read these instructions. Okay, and then now in the beginning, use this comments. Now every program you have to use this comments in the beginning. Okay, what is this? This will help us in future. When you will open the program, you will find what is the purpose of this program. So program to find addition and subtraction of numbers, of 2 numbers or 3 numbers, of 2 numbers. See, so this statement, when we will open the program in future, this statement will help us instead of reading the program. This program is for addition of numbers, so then we will read the program. Okay, so first, now I think now it is clear. Comments, two purpose we use, comments we use for two purpose. One, to write about the program in the beginning. Compiler will not read this because this is just English sentence. And other purpose is to annotate some statements or to ignore some statements. This is ignoration. We are ignoring these statements. Annotation is something different. For example, this is get ch statement. After get ch, you want something to write. Okay, what is this get ch statement? Okay, it asks the user to hit keyboard. This statement, when the compiler will come here, it will display the results and it will stop the screen here. It will ask the user to hit keyboard, mean hit any key from the keyboard, then it will come here and stop the program. So get character, get ch is get character from the keyboard. So see, we are writing the explanation of this statement here. So in future, you just start writing the comments about the statement. This will be more helpful for you. Sometime, in future we forget what was the purpose of this statement. So you can write the annotation about a particular instruction as well. So this is the purpose of comments. Annotation to ignore statements. We don't want these statements, but still they are in the program. We are not erasing. And third one is that we will write in the beginning of each program now onwards, program to find addition and subtraction of two numbers. So this is also comments. They will help us in future to know about programs. Okay, so now we'll save the program, give name, program number 4. Now Alt F9, 0 errors, no errors. Okay, so comments also, see the where we put the comments, and see the comments, it will not come in results, it will come when you will open the program only. In results, what will come? What we are printing. So we are printing addition and subtraction. Okay, and ignore statements also will not work. So now control F9, see, it is giving us addition of 3 numbers and subtraction of 2 numbers, 10 and 4. See, addition of 3 numbers A, B and C. A and B, yes, C is also, yes, we will not ignore C because we are adding C here. Okay, otherwise it will take 0. By default it is taking 0 because we have ignored this. So now we will save again and run it again, control F9. See, 20 and 6. Okay, 20 and 6 result because A, B, C, sum of A, B, C is 20 and 10 minus 6, 4 is the result. And previous results are coming on the screen. So what we will use here after declaration here, CLR, SCR, bracket start, bracket close, semicolon, to clear screen. Mean previous results all the time must be washed out. So control F9, see. So if you run this program 3 times, 100 times, it will give the same result because values are fixed. Okay, now we will remove these. I think now it is clear to you, this comments. Now we will remove these. Okay, comments we will remove. This we will ignore because this we will extra. Okay, cout add less than endl, cout subtract, and now we want to print mul also. Always save the program F2 or go here, file and save. Okay, now Alt F9 again to check, sorry, it should be here. F2, yes, Alt F9, no errors, Control F9, see, addition of number is 20, subtraction C minus A is 6, and multiplication of 3 number is 240. Okay, so addition, multiplication and subtraction. Now one thing more I will tell you here. When you see the results, it is not clear, 26 and 240. What is this? We want to display a message with the result. Like this is total of two numbers, this is multiplication, this is subtraction, like this. Okay, hit enter key and come here, see out, add. We are printing the value of this add here. Before this, give the quotation. See, message you want to print, it will come in, its color will be in red. Okay, automatically red color will come. So start, give proper message. Addition of, how many numbers we are adding? 3 numbers. quotation close, and less than see. So this less than variable, the value we want to print, and less than send it to the new line, cursor to the new line, so the next result will come on the next line. So same here. Okay, quotation start, subtraction of two numbers, because we are subtracting two numbers, less than sub, and less than enter. And here multiplication of three numbers, quotations close, less than mul. Here no need of handle, because after printing this it will go to the next line. After printing sub it will go to the third line. So no need to go to the fourth. If you can, but it is useless now. It is without purpose. Okay. So Alt F9, first save it, F2, and Alt F9 to see the errors, no errors, and Control F9, see. Addition of numbers 20, addition of two numbers 6, multiplication of three numbers 220. You can make it clear. Here you can give some space within the quotation. Okay, here put colon here and here also, so that message must be clear and number, must be on, so have some specific space between the message and the number. So Control F9, see, it's more clear. Addition of three numbers 20, subtraction of two numbers 6, multiplication of three numbers 240. Okay, so this lesson was about comments and arithmetic operators, ABC, arithmetic operators. So there are other arithmetic operators also as well. So I will explain in other video. Thank you very much.